Alright, number 5. So let me talk about a different aspect that you need to kind of be aware of. So in the same manner that if I have a natural log and the base is e, if I put an e in here, okay, these guys just kind of divide out to be 1. Just cancels this out. Okay. The same property holds if I had a base of e and I raise it to the ln power. So ln has a base of e. So if I had something that I was taking the natural log of, say 5, these two guys would divide out, and that would just give you a 5. Okay. So I want to show you that with technology, and then this is what I'm going to be applying this property to simplify this problem. So if I turn this on the left side of the calculator you see ln. Okay. So first I'm just going to say ln, and then I'm going to do e. So that is the second and this division button. Okay, you get ln of e, and when I hit enter it gives me a 1 because the base is e. They just don't show it. Alright, now on the opposite end of that spectrum I'm going to do e raised to some power, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to do ln, so that base is e, and I'm just going to put in a 5. Okay, just kind of like what I wrote down. And so what's going to happen, e and ln, again opposites, going to cancel each other out, and it's going to leave us with that 5. Okay, and it's showing you the answer is 5. So we're going to be using this property to solve the next problem. Okay, the fact that the base is the same as the log. Alright, so first we have e to the 6th minus 2 ln of x plus ln of y. Alright, so properties of exponents, we're going to use that first to write these all individual. So property of exponents says when you multiply, so kind of like this, let's go back, refresh. If I had like an x squared times x to the 3rd, that would tell me to add 2 plus 3. So I'm basically going to be going backwards from this. Whenever I see addition, I'm going to write it as multiplication, and subtraction is division. So I have, and they're all raised to the e power. So I have e to the 6th. Because of this minus that's going to be on the bottom, I have a e to, and I'm going to bring this 2 up front as an exponent. So it's going to be e to the ln x squared, and then plus this ln of y. It's going to be times e ln of y. So this is using property of exponents to rewrite this expression. Now e to the 6th is a number. We could evaluate it, but it's going to give us a decimal, so we're going to leave it alone. And the property that I was explaining before we started was that these are opposites. They're going to divide out. It's going to leave you with y. This is also going to divide out and leave you with x squared. So final answer with this problem will be e to the 6th times y divided by x squared. And I believe the directions say, yeah, just use the properties, write the expression as a single term that doesn't contain log. So from here to here to here, now we no longer have log, so we're going to say e to the 6th, e to the 6th times y over x squared.